Hey guys, I am opening up a box from that I got. I was a little bewildered. It's from my merchant app. So my merchant app is called PocketSuite, hashtag PocketSuite Passion at PocketSuite app, because I've been using PocketSuite since, God, I don't know, 2015, I think. I've been using PocketSuite app since they first started, and all of a sudden I got this box. So I'm gonna just open up the box and see what's inside. They said, I don't know, it's a gift or something from PocketSuite. I don't know what to expect. Oh my God, there's a handwritten note that says for Michelle Fondon. I don't know, should I read it? Okay, so it says PocketSuite on the front. Michelle, thank you for brewing up a strong referral for us. As a token of our appreciation, we wanted to send something your way that helps stretch both body and imagination, and also gives Luna a shout out. Oh my God, they've been stalking me. How do they know I have a cat named Luna? That's really weird. Okay. Hoping this perfect gift helps keep you inspired through your workday. With gratitude, the PocketSuite team. And it's actually handwritten. I can't believe it's handwritten. Who handwrites letters anymore? Look at this beautiful calligraphy. Thank you, PocketSuite. Hashtag PocketSuite app. I really do love PocketSuite. In fact, I wrote a book called How to Run a Successful Yoga Business and Don't Go Broke. And I dedicate 2 entire pages to PocketSuite. Oh my God. I love coffee, PocketSuite. I don't know if you knew that. It says coffee, cats, and yoga mats, and there is a cat here stretching on a yoga mat. And what you didn't know, PocketSuite, what you don't know is that I have a yoga mat permanently installed in my bedroom, and my cat Luna often stretches on the yoga mat. And this makes me cry, because PocketSuite had to do a lot of digging to understand my love for Walt Disney, because this is all of our dreams can come true. Whew, I'm gonna cry if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney, are you kidding me? They really did stalk my YouTube channel to find that out. Okay, or my Instagram, I don't know. There's also a t-shirt in here, and it has a theme: coffee, cats, and yoga mats. And Michelle Fondon Wellness and PocketSuite. So thank you, PocketSuite, for this beautiful gift. You've been a great merchant app all throughout since 2015. Hashtag PocketSuite Passion at PocketSuite app. Check them out if you are a merchant. They are absolutely wonderful, but I will be drinking coffee out of this every day. PocketSuite. Thank you. I love you guys. You guys have been great for the last 6 years. Thank you.